Today I want to talk to you about something really simple, but really powerful. Eating foods straight from nature. No packages, no labels, no marketing tricks, just real food. We've made eating way more complicated than it needs to be, and honestly a lot of people feel overwhelmed. My goal today is to simplify it. When you build your meals around foods that come from the ground, which includes fruits, vegetables, potatoes, rice, and beans, you don't need to overthink it. Nature doesn't come with nutrition labels. It doesn't need them. If your food grew somewhere, it's already doing most of the work for you. If you do buy something in a package, read the label. What you should do is make sure that you can pronounce every ingredient in the list. And if you wouldn't cook with it at home, don't buy it. Or if it sounds like it belongs in a chemistry lab, don't buy it. Your body probably does not need it. This does not mean perfection. It just means awareness. A lot of cravings aren't real hunger, they're engineered. Food companies design products to hit that perfect combo of sugar, fat, and salt so you keep coming back. They literally hire food scientists in order to figure out the exact composition of foods to trigger a section in your brain that makes you not able to stop eating. It's pretty crazy. But here's the truth. Once you start eating real food consistently, those cravings fade. Your taste buds actually reset. If you have a sweet tooth, don't try and fight it. Work along with it. Fruit exists for a reason. It's naturally sweet, hydrating, full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Instead of candy bars, pastries, or processed snacks, try bananas, apples, berries, dates, oranges. You still get that kick of sweetness without the crash. One of the biggest myths surrounding healthy eating is that it costs more. It doesn't. Your health ends up costing you more in the long run. Let's compare a box of processed cereal. It's usually about $6. And 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, that usually costs about $3. And that's multiple meals of real food and actual nourishment. It's really simple too. You can just throw a potato in the microwave after you rinse it off and poke a couple holes in it, and it'll be done in about 6-7 minutes. Rice, beans, potatoes, oats, frozen fruit, these are some of the cheapest foods in the store. These foods have fed humans for generations. Back then, kings and queens actually struggled with most of the same health predicaments that we have today, including diabetes, heart disease, obesity, you name it. Most of the people who were in poverty were the healthiest because they were eating these simple staples daily. Our health really is our greatest wealth. You don't need to follow trends. You don't need superfoods. You don't need perfection. Just eat foods that look like they came from nature and listen to your body, and also keep it simple. If you wouldn't recognize it growing somewhere, maybe pause and ask, should I really be eating this?